is a shur on Parashat Bo. You know that there is makat choshech in Torah talks about makat, the plague of darkness, and this is Parash. Torah says, "Vayichoshech afilah bechol Mitzrayim." It was a deep darkness in Mitzrayim, 3 days. Lo ra'u et achiv. A person didn't see his brother, and nobody got up. Therefore, that's makat choshech. Makat choshech was the thickness of darkness was so much that the person couldn't see his brother and he couldn't get up. Now, Mefarshim say, very interesting way of the depth of the darkness being expressed in the Pasuk. No, you know what you want to understand the deep darkness, the depth of darkness. Darkness is when people don't see the brotherhood, when they don't care for each other. Somebody would not get up for other person to help him out, to be sensitive toward others' needs. That's the deepest darkness. Deepest darkness is not lack of light. Deepest of darkness depends on the situation of Har Yisrael when they are not sensitive to each other. When a person doesn't get up from his place when the person doesn't see his brother, doesn't understand his pain, doesn't understand what he's going through. He doesn't get up to help him. He sees him, but he's numb. He doesn't get up. He doesn't move. That's the depth of darkness. Now, they say, once there was a big tzaddik, and he lived in a very small apartment, and he wanted a bigger house. And his wife told him that, we need, and he was learning. He didn't have enough money to afford to buy the bigger apartment. And his wife was pushing him, we need someplace bigger. And one time he came out and he saw that there is a house on auction. The owner couldn't pay the payment. And it was in Israel with the payment, and they put the house in auction. And then somebody was trying to buy a house. The Arab was trying to buy a house. And he says 2 million shekel, whatever. And then he says, what should Arab gets it? I get it, 2 million and $200,000. And he said that. And then he went home and told his wife, I have such great news for you. He said, what? You had a house. How did you get it? He said, there was a house in auction. The owner couldn't pay. Some Arabs wanted to buy it. And I got it from him. The wife said, I don't want to live in a house that this house is taken away from the owner with sorrow. In other words, the owner is not happy with that. Another owner wanted to have his own house. And you go and live in a house that's been taken away from the owner against his will. He had to do it, but it's against his will. He says, what's better? Arabs could take that house, is better, at least with him. He said, no, I don't want it. Then this person goes and he asks his Rebbe, what do you think? Who is right here? The Rebbe said, your wife is right. And Rebbe told him that, there was a great tzaddik that one time he needed thick towel, and somebody, a great rabbi, wanted to help him out. And once Almana was selling her stuff, and he had a thick towel, needed a thick towel for mikveh, and the Almana was selling things, and she was selling a thick towel also. He went and he bought it from her and gave it to this big rabbi and told him that I have for you. He said, thank you very much. He went to mikveh with it and was very good. And they told him, where did you get it from? He said, I got it from Almana. He said, what? You got this from Almana? I don't want it. Go and give it back to him. He says, see from the story that, when a person sells something or gives away something against his will, it's not right, we should have it. It's very interesting. Chinuch says that when Har Yisrael went to Eretz Israel, the Shevet Levi didn't get any portion. Not only didn't get any portion in Eretz Israel, Shevet Levi, any type of spoilage. a time that they went to war and they got spoiled, they got a lot of things in the war from the Goyim. HaKadosh Baruch Hu says, Shevet Levi should not get it. Shevet Levi will not get it. Chinuch says, why? Why Torah says Shevet Levi should not get that? Chinuch explains that Shevet Levi is a Shevet that they live with the Avodah HaKadosh Baruch Hu. They are full service of Hashem. Somebody who is living with HaKadosh Baruch Hu is doing the service for Hashem. He does not want to have utensils and things in his house that's against the will of the owner. That was right, Milchama Shel Mitzvah. Everything was mitzvah to fight and to get the things were mitzvah. But since these utensils, since these things came about through war, through Milchama, they were taken away from the owner. That's not something that Shevet Levi would like to have it. Shevet Levi is a kadosh, the Shevet that whatever that they does is with kedusha. Another thing that we see in Masechet Pesachim at the end, the Gemara talks about Pidyon Haben, and the Gemara says that the father that in the mitzvah of Pidyon Haben makes the bracha. Makes the bracha of Pidyon Haben and makes the bracha of Shechyon. Meiri asked the question, how come the father makes the bracha but not the Kohen? Kohen is getting benefit here, he becomes happy, getting money. Then he should make Shechyon. Meiri says that the Kohen doesn't make Shechyon because this Kohen is getting benefit through loss of other Kohanim. Therefore, that would not be Shechyanu for him. Shechyanu means that I'm happy not because loss of other people. Here, he's getting benefit and is being happy through loss of other Kohanim that they didn't get the chance of this mitzvah. On that, we don't say Shechyanu. Therefore, we see that the light is when we are sensitive for each other, we understand each other, and darkness is when we are not sensitive and we are not there for each other.